Turn up to this one. Customer said they had a leak in boiler. Let's whip the case off and have a look. Look at the staining on the PCB cover for a start. So that will be the sump crack then. You can see it there. When the boiler's on, the fumes are escaping and that's what's creating that. So we're going to grab a new sump off the van, turn the power off, get the old one stripped down, get rid of the flue manifold, take the condense trap out. That looks like it hasn't been cleaned in a while. Get the state of that. Turn the gas off, then we're going to disconnect the fan from the nut, the electric cables, then we're going to undo the securing screw, take the fan out the way. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to undo the 2 screws at the front, 2 screws at the back to take the burner out. Now we've got to undo the screws to take the gas valve out. Remember to do a tightness test before and after this. There's plenty of screws to undo. Going to undo the spark gen now. You want to be putting these down in order that you took them out to make it easier to go back together. Secure a nut of the gas valve, we'll get that out of the way. Now that whole back plate's out of the way. Now to get the old sump out, just crack the plastic holders and then bend it like that and it'll come out. You got to be brutal with it. Yeah, look at the state of that. Plenty of lube on the new one, and then you're going to want to find the lugs at the back, and then you're going to want to put plenty of pressure on it until it both clips on like that. You'll feel as each one clips on. You can reach up around the back just to see. Now I'm going to work in reverse and put everything back exactly how I took it out. Put that securing plate back on, put the gas valve in, turn it around, securing nut on, then tighten the nut up. Give it a pinch of a spanner so you don't forget. Now plug the electrical connections on for the gas valve. Spark generator back on, put that all back together, get all that screwed up. Plug the power for the spark gen back in, give it another tighten up, make sure everything's done. Plenty of lube on the condense trap, pop that back into place, then pop the elbow on. Once all that's done, we're going to carefully put the burner back in. Before the gas police kick off saying, oh, you didn't clean it out, I actually did service it properly and clean it all out, but that's not in this video. I'm going to do a longer video which will show each step a little bit better, but I just tried to condense it down to show what's involved in this kind of job. Some people will never change the sump before. So again, plenty of lube on the flue manifold, undo the 2 screws, pop that in. One final check, make sure everything's tightened up. Blue light means go. 26 nines, that's another one done, happy day.